Liver Renew 12-Day Liver Detox Challenge. Liver-loving foods. 1. Drink plenty of water to flush out toxins and support liver function. 2. Eat more cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, cabbage, and kale, to boost liver enzymes and antioxidants. 3. Consume more grapefruit, which contains naringenin and naringin, two compounds that protect the liver from inflammation and damage. 4. Add more garlic and onion to your meals, as they contain sulfur compounds that help the liver detoxify harmful substances. 5. Drink green tea, which is rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant that improves liver health and reduces fat accumulation. 6. Mix apple cider vinegar with water and honey and drink it before meals to stimulate bile production and digestion. 7. Include more turmeric in your diet, as it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help the liver fight oxidative stress and inflammation. 8. Sprinkle some flax seeds or chia seeds on your salads, smoothies, or oatmeal, as they are high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids that support liver function. 9. Eat more fermented foods, such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, to increase the beneficial bacteria in your gut and improve liver health. 10. Avoid foods that burden the liver, such as processed foods, refined sugars, alcohol, and caffeine.